How to locate and capture paragraphs with unknown values in Vantage Advanced Designer. If we want to locate and capture multiple lines of text that are not known in advance, we can use the paragraph element. Here's a document with a single static text element already defined. We have located the string non-transferable. Now I will create an element of the paragraph type. I'll specify that I'm looking for a paragraph that is between 2 and 4 lines long. Now I will press match to see my results in a hypothesis tree. The first thing we found was the string non-transferable. Then a 2-line paragraph was found at the top of the document. Clicking through the hypothesis tree, we see other possible candidates, none of which are the paragraphs we are looking for. The animal shelter location information is the paragraph I wish to find. I will modify my criteria and look for paragraphs that are between 3 and 4 lines long. I will press match once more. I found the paragraph I'm looking for, but several alternative paragraphs are suggested as possible matches that also meet the provided search criteria. This phenomenon is called hypothesis tree branching, and it can slow the matching process. I can easily eliminate these alternative branches. To do this, I will use the nearest to function. I'll click on the paragraph element's Draw on Image icon, select the static text element keyword non-transferable, and click the nearest to icon. This action is depicted visually in the right side pane and can be deleted from there if needed. I will press match to see my results. The hypothesis tree now shows no branching, and the paragraph was correctly located closest to my keyword.